In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to load a Shopify gift card. Whether you're preparing to surprise a loved one with a thoughtful gift or organizing a promotion for your store, loading gift cards in Shopify is a seamless process that you can manage with ease. Let's delve into the steps and I'll guide you through the entire process. First and foremost, make sure you're logged into your Shopify account. Having access to your Shopify admin dashboard is crucial because that's where all the magic happens. Once you're logged in, take a look at the left-hand side of your screen and locate the Products tab. This is your main hub for managing and organizing anything product-related, including your gift cards. As you click on Products, a drop-down menu will appear. Here, you'll find the Gift Cards option. Click on it, and this section will open up to display all your existing gift cards if you have any set up. If this is your first time, you'll likely see an option encouraging you to create your first gift card. Don't feel overwhelmed, it's a straightforward process. Now, to create a new gift card, look for a button called Add Gift Card Product. Give that a click, and you'll be prompted to fill out essential details for the gift card. Begin by giving your gift card a descriptive title. Think about adding a unique twist that reflects your brand, making it recognizable and exciting for recipients. You'll also notice fields where you can enter denominations. A smart move is to offer various amounts to cater to different budgets and preferences of your customers. If possible, set at least 3 to 4 different price points. This not only gives flexibility to the purchaser but also increases appeal to potential customers. Once you've set up the monetary values, you can customize the appearance of your gift card. While this step might seem aesthetic, it's important in creating an attractive offering that aligns with your brand colors and messaging. Uploading high-quality images or using Shopify's design tools will enhance the appeal of your gift cards. The next detail to decide is the expiration date. Depending on your business strategy, you may allow your gift cards to remain valid indefinitely or expire after a set period. Consider the regulations that apply in your region for gift card expiration policies to ensure compliance. After carefully entering these details, you're almost ready to make your gift card available for purchase. However, don't forget to review all the information to ensure accuracy. Double-checking helps prevent potential issues down the line, making for a smoother customer experience. Once you're satisfied, simply hit the Save button. Your gift card is now live, and you can start promoting it to your customers. Encourage them to consider gift cards as a flexible and convenient gift option. There you have it. You've successfully loaded a Shopify gift card. With this setup, your store is one step closer to offering customers added value and convenience. Thank you for watching, and happy selling!